data here. I'm going to do round 61, full body fusion, PiYo round 61, full body fusion. So when I say go, we're going to walk it over, count at 8, 3 tricep push-ups on your toes or your knees. Walk it back for a count of 8, come on up, and we're going to yell sunshine. Woo, so deep breath in, shoulders back and down. Let's get ready to work, there's no doozy gang. Everything is for a count of 8. Ready? Walk it over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3 triceps. 3 elbows into your body. Eyes focused towards the top of the mat. Walk it back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Sunshine. Walk it over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3, 2, 1. Walk it back. Right, left, 5, 6, 7, 8. Sunshine. Walk it over. This time we stay down. 3 triceps. Downward facing dog. Hold it here. Right foot steps forward. Now we've got a warrior 3. Lift, sweep, bend. 3 more. 2 more. Last one. Drop that left foot, double press. Turn the left foot into a pyramid. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Press. A good stretch. Really feeling the hamstrings. Now let's go down for push-ups. Hands go wide. 3, 2, 1. Walk the hands in. Downward facing dog. Walk it out. 4, 3, step forward, warrior 3. Cut it in half now. Double press. Into pyramid. Good. Double press. Push-ups. Ready? 3, 2. Walk those hands in. Downward facing dog. We're going to do the same thing again. Right foot steps forward. Here we go. Are you wobbly? Then drop that left foot down. Double press. Do it again. Push-ups. On your knees or your toes. Let's go. 3. Walk those hands in. Downward facing dog. Good. Now, here's our transition. Go into plank. Hold it here. Rock forward and back. Your eyes should be focused towards the top of your mat. Core nice and tight. Drop to your knees if you need to. 3 push-ups. 3, 2. Get ready to walk it back. Walk it back. Left, right. Right. 5, 6, 7, 8. Sunshine. Walk it over. We're not coming back up. 3 triceps. What's next? Good job. Walk the dog right here. Alternating heel presses. Stretch up those shoulders. Catch your breath. 4, 3. Left foot steps forward. Hold it. You're ready for that warrior 3. Here we go. Long set. 3 more. So the key is to focus on something that doesn't move. 1 more. Reach long. Double press. Into pyramid. Double press. 2 more. 1 more. Come on down for those push-ups. Out wide. 3, 2. Walk the hands in. Downward facing dog. Feel that stretch. Left foot steps forward. At the top, here we go. 1 more. Double press. Do it again. Come on down. 3 pushes. Let's go. Give me your best. Walk those hands in. facing, y'all. And you're gonna look up. You can step or hop forward. Inhale all the way up. Arms down at your sides. Full body fusion. Thanks for joining me.